Magic Motorsport FLEX boot glitch allows supported Bosch MD1 and MG1 ECUs to be unlocked directly in the workshop. The process uses a boot connection to carry out the initial unlock, after which the ECU can be read and written using the supported bench connection without repeating the full unlock procedure. The exact opening method, connection points and components involved will vary depending on the ECU. Always select the correct protocol within the FLEX software and follow the Magic Motorsport instructions for the specific ECU before beginning. In this example, we are working with a Bosch MD1CS003 ECU. Step 1. Open the ECU and locate the resistor. Once you have the ECU open, use the Magic Motorsport instructions for the selected protocol to identify the resistor that must be temporarily removed. Not all ECUs are opened in the same way. For the Bosch MD1CS003 shown in this example, remove the screws securing the ECU casing. Carefully use a suitable blade to cut through the silicone seal around the lid. Then work slowly around the edges with an appropriate opening tool. Take care not to damage the casing, circuit board or any internal components while removing the cover. Once the lid has been removed, refer to the wiring diagram and on-screen FLEX instructions to locate and confirm the correct resistor before carrying out any soldering work. For more information on opening ECUs, check out our How to Open ECU video on YouTube. Step 2. Remove the resistor. Apply liquid flux to the required area. Carefully heat the solder joints and remove the resistor using suitable soldering equipment. Step 3. Connect the Magic Motorsport FLEX. Set up and connect the FLEX tool using the required boot and bench connections. Follow the wiring diagrams and on-screen instructions provided within the FLEX software for the ECU you are working on. Step 4. Begin the unlock process. Once all connections have been checked, press connect. Follow the software prompts to begin the unlocking process. Once connected, click on the unlock button and follow any on-screen instructions. Please note that this glitch can take up to 25 minutes and in some cases needs to be run multiple times for it to work. Step 5. Refit the resistor and complete the checks. Once the unlock process is completed successfully, add flux and refit the resistor in its original position. Inspect the solder joints and use a multimeter to confirm the resistance or continuity. The ECU should now be ready for reading and writing using boot or bench mode, depending on the supported protocol and vehicle application. For more information about the Magic Motorsport FLEX MD1 and MG1 unlock process, contact Vizu on 01789 774444 or email info@vizu.com.